Hello guys, thanks for tuning in. As you can see, I have my Yolissa hair fully installed. This hair is so bomb. I really like it. The quality is A1. I haven't seen any YouTube reviews on the curly hair, like the curly 27 hair. I usually see the ones that get what was just like the body wave and whatnot. I think there's only like one curly hair review, but I wanted to do one for myself. I did a full install. It's a quick install, you know. I didn't do the stocking cap method because I just genuinely cannot do that anymore. So I try to keep it really quick and simple. As far as the hair quality and shipping and cost, everything was pretty much affordable. The hair cost me $278, I believe, yeah, for 20 inches, 180 density, 13 by 4 and 27 color was $278. The shipping, I want to say, took around 6 to 7 days to get here, which isn't too bad, you know, like a week. Business days, you know, like a full week and a half maybe. So far so good. The hair is really soft, and this is some bomb hair. I'm happy I made the purchase. I don't regret the purchase at all. But without further ado, just keep watching. Okay guys, so this is my Yolissa hair. It looks like Goldilocks right now. Look at that bounce. But it's 20 inches. It's 20 inches, so it's pretty long. It's a 13 by 4. Okay, and we're just gonna get into this wig install. I'm not gonna do the stocking cap method because when I did the stocking cap method with my mega look hair, I was in distress. So I'm just going to put the wig cap on and, you know, glue it down. So I'm just gonna put my hair in a little bun in the back and put the cap on. By the way, I'm using my Ghost Bond. I'm looking in the mirror right here, so I try to keep it as away from my edge. Now I just take my old reliable, it's been through the mud. I'm going to do another layer because this side is completely, ooh, there's a lot of glue coming out. Now I'm just gonna wait for this to dry, like till it's clear, and then I'm gonna throw on the wig and we're gonna see how it looks. Okay, so right now I am putting the wig where the marks are. I am going to start separating these curls. So right now I'm cutting the lace off this. I'm trying to get it where it fits nice behind my ear. Look at that melt. She's melting into the skin. This is the best melting spray. This Ibn Wonder Lace Bond. This is Extreme Firm Hold Supreme. Okay, so I have my hair tied down. I'm just going to like get sensitive areas. Okay, so now that the wig is on and it is secured, I am going to put a little bit of conditioner in this hair. I don't even know if I can use this, but it's Bio Silk leave-in conditioner. Put it on like the ends and whatnot. Okay, so this is how long the hair is when this is 20 inches. Obviously it comes down here, but you know, since the hair is curly, it's gonna sit like right around here. You know, like some girls have that hair to the side moment where it can be like this. But I am a middle parts gal. I do like my middle part. Obviously the curls in the back are still defined. So let me like turn around so you can see. This is the back. Cute, right? Yeah. I do like, when I feel like the undefined ones, I do like break it up a little, but I don't want to be full-blown like lioness out here. So, you know, I'll just move that back so you can see little cute ones. And yeah, like I didn't have to put any concealer on the part. I did put a little bit of powder right here just to like, so you can't really see the line where my wig cap is. Overall, I do give the quality of this hair a 10 out of 10. I really like this hair. This is my first time trying Yolissa Hair, and I was really skeptical about it because I was like, okay, I've never bought from them, but I hear great things about them. No one has ever said anything bad. So I was like, let's try color, and I'm happy I did. Thank you guys so much for watching this hair install. Let me know if there's any other hair companies that you would like me to review. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Helps me a lot. Comment, subscribe, and yeah, let me know what you want to see. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, and I'll be back soon.